It's learning time! Today we're learning the sound ah. Can you say the sound? Ah. The letter A makes the sound ah. Let's look at the uppercase letter A and the lowercase letter A. They make the sound ah. Now, can you think of some words that begin with this sound? Let's learn a few together. Ah as in apple, apple. Ah as in ant, ant. Ah as in astronaut, astronaut. Ah as in arrow, arrow. Ah as in axe, axe. Ah as in ambulance, ambulance. Ah as in alligator, alligator. Ah as in anchor, anchor. Ah as in arm, arm. Ah as in avocado, avocado. Don't forget the letter A says ah. Now let's see if you can identify some ah words in this picture. Apple, alphabets, abacus, angry, and ant. Well done! You did a good job identifying the objects with ah. Don't forget to keep identifying words that begin with ah around you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.